Let's head to the garden first and get some fresh vegetables, herbs. Smells so good. And while I'm here, I'm going to get some curry leaves. Look at the curry leaves plant. Tree actually now. Okay, so let's start cooking. Namaste! Welcome to Bhavana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share my favorite recipe. I call it Walno Bhat. Wal means wild beans, suti papdi known as where I grew up, and I simply love anything made out of suti papdi lilwa. And I have some fresh turiya known as turai as well in my garden. So I thought of combining two green vegetables today in my chawal. Basically, I'm making kind of a khichdi, but I call it walno bhat. Earlier, I shared walni darno bhat, which is like a made using dry wild beans, split and skinless. So these are few recipes that are prepared where I grew up. Not very well known, but once you try, I'm sure you will absolutely fall in love with it. They are so quick and easy to prepare and healthy as well because wild beans full of protein. So let's get started. I'm going to use pressure cooker to prepare walno bhat today, but you can definitely cook in the open pot. It will take longer, about maybe 25-30 minutes, but it's worth it. But I'm going to make in the pressure cooker. To prepare turiya, I prefer to use a peeler to peel the rich gourd. You can scrape with a knife too, but the peeler is much easier. You want all the rough ridges or lines to be peeled completely, then cut into half lengthwise and chop it into small pieces. And be sure to wash everything really well before using. I love to stock all kinds of frozen vegetables to prepare quick sabjis, and they work really well for me. These are some of the vegetables that require good amount of work to prepare them. So most of the time I use frozen varieties of vegetables. And here I have frozen surti papdi lilwa from the plant. Just tear it apart. And you can see nice and green surti papdi lilwa. I'm going to take out into the sea and wash. And so now you can see it better, nice and green, ready to use in recipe. Take a cup of rice. Long grain or short grain rice can be used. I'm taking short grain rice. Basmati rice can be used even. Wash rice really well until water runs clear. To prepare the walno bhat, heat up the stove on a medium to high. Take about a tablespoon of oil. From the spice box, I'm going to add mustard seeds, right, and let them crack. Now whenever I make anything with wal, I prefer to add carom seeds, which is ajwain known as. It helps to digest any kind of beans really well. So we Gujarati always add ajwain whenever we prepare something using papdi wal. When the mustard seeds starts cracking, add carom seeds, ajwain, hing if available, known as asapatida, haldi powder, turmeric. Here I have the curry leaves, and whenever you add curry leaves, be sure to keep the lid handy. Okay, so it's doing alright today. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the remaining ingredients. Here I have ginger, garlic and green chili paste, kaju, grass and mungfali, so peanuts, raisins and cashews. Before I add other ingredients, just give it a quick stir. Add Surti Papri Vilva and turai or turia known as. Now you may think that the pot is already full, but turia will shrink as they cook. Now you can just cook these two ingredients and prepare kind of a sabji. Tastes amazing. Add salt to taste. Ground coriander, cumin powder, and here I have rice already washed. Very simple recipe but tastes amazing once you prepare. By the way, you can leave out turia if you do not have. Just use the frozen or the fresh Surti Papri Vilva to prepare walnut bath. But since I had so many turias in my garden, so I thought of using it. Here I have 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice, but I'm going to use a little less than 2 cups because turia releases a lot of water and helps to cook other ingredients really well. So add water as needed only. And since I'm using pressure cooker, again I add a little less water. When cooked in open pot, you may have to add more water. So I'm just simply loving the color. As you can see, it looks yummy. Amazing green looking khichdi is going to turn out. And before I cover the cooker, I'm going to add ghee. Clarified butter is must in any kind of khichdi or chawal bath. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of ghee. Ready to cover the cooker. Put the whistle on. Alright, and I'm going to hear 4 to 5 whistles. Yes, since I'm using wild beans, which takes a little time, and I want my bath on a little soft side, I'm going to serve today this bath with the curry, Gujarati curry. So this is like a totally complete Gujarati meal that I'm preparing today. And I hope that you will try and let me know how it turns out to be. To prepare curry, here I have the homemade yogurt. I'm going to take 2 cups of yogurt, and now to this add 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, besan, and whisk together really well. There shouldn't be any lumps of besan. And keep on side. Heat up the pot you want to prepare curry in. Heat up teaspoon of ghee, clarified butter, or you can use oil. Add dry whole red chilies, cinnamon known as taj, cloves known as long or loving. Ghee has melted. Add fenugreek seeds known as methi. Add mustard seeds, which is rye. Cumin seeds, jeera. Take off the pot from the heat or cover to prevent the mess. And when all the seeds are done, add curry leaves, limri, and ready to add prepared beaten yogurt. Cover immediately to retain that smoky flavor in the curry. And turn off the stove. Add remaining yogurt with water as much as you want. So here I have about 2 cups of water. Now bring curry to boil, and you can always adjust consistency of curry anytime. Here I have the curry masala that I shared earlier. And now it's time to boil curry. Again, turn on the stove on a medium heat and bring curry to boil. I add more curry leaves for extra fragrance and finely chopped coriander leaves, hara dhania. And the key is to keep on stirring the curry while it comes to the boil. Add salt as needed, and sugar is totally optional. And curry is ready to serve. I love to use serving handis like this, like a small bucket and karai to serve curry. Antique karais. Alright, I heard 4 whistles and allow the pressure to release naturally, so that way it keeps on cooking inside, steam inside. And I have prepared salad to go with my khichdi curry. I have a curry also ready. So let's open it up. Carefully open the cooker. Oh my goodness, look at that. An amazing looking color. You can fluff up using the spatula or the fork because the beans tends to go at the bottom. So just mix it once. As you can see, I don't see turia much in there because they tend to almost get kind of lost. I mean, here you can see that's turia. My mouth is watering now. Alright, so I am ready to serve khichdi. Here I have my serving handi. Look at this. Nice, steamy walnut, but a little bit of hara dhania on top, but and also some in curry. Look at this yummy looking menu now. Walnut butt, curry, papad, and onion tomato salad. This is my kind of food I enjoy so much. And I'm sure once you try, you will also fall in love with it. Alright, so you saw how quick and easy it is to prepare complete meal even if you have pressure cooker. If you are afraid of using pressure cooker, you can use electric pressure cooker. These days available easily in the market. Let me just go ahead and taste it. Must try recipes. Walnut arrowbutt, curry, have some onion tomato as salad on the side, and papad papri. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinner is Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can also watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon or YouTube app itself. Thank you for watching and see you soon.